There are 4 major steps in the home buying process, and today we're going to cover all 4. Hey everybody, welcome back. Brad Myers here again, 20-year home inspector turned real estate agent with Harmony Realty Group right here in Fulton County, Ohio. On this channel, I like to bring useful information to home buyers and sellers in and around Fulton County, and today I want to talk about the 4 major steps in the home buying process. But before we get started, if you like this video, please smash that like button, and if you like my channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, so the 4 major steps. Number 1, before you do anything, before you start looking at houses, before anything else, you need to get pre-approved by a lender. I recommend going to a local lender or working with the bank that you normally work with. A lot of those big lenders, it just seems like you never talk to the same person twice. It's a very complicated system. I think your small local lenders will do a much better job for you. So with that said, interview at least 3 different lenders. Shopping around for a mortgage is just like shopping for anything else. You're trying to get the best deal. Each lender is going to have different loan products. They're going to have different mortgage rates. So look around, try to find the best deal you can. Now remember, each lender that you interview is going to want to pull your credit score to see what things look like. And yes, there is a slight negative impact to your credit. But this impact is only temporary, and it's usually 5 points or less. Now you may be thinking to yourself, if I decide to interview 5 different lenders and each lender pulls my credit report, that's 25 points. Well, that's not exactly how it works. According to Jennifer White, Consumer Education and Awareness Team Member with Experian, you will see separate inquiries on your credit report from each of these lenders. But your credit score won't be penalized for each one. Most credit scores will count multiple inquiries for mortgage or auto loans as one, as long as they are made within a certain period of time, normally 14 to 30 days. So what that means is if you interview 10 different lenders and they all pull your credit report, it's only going to hit your credit score one time within a 14 to 30 day period. Now, once you found a lender that you want to work with and they've pulled your credit report and everything looks good, and they're going to give you what's called a pre-approval letter. This pre-approval letter is very important because when you write an offer, it's going to be included in that offer package to the seller. And if the seller doesn't see it or you can't provide one, odds are they probably won't even look at your offer. Okay, so step number 2 is you want to find a local real estate agent that you feel comfortable working with. Just like with the lender, you're going to want to interview 2 or 3 different real estate agents. We all have different skill sets and we all have different personalities. And remember, you're going to spend a lot of time with this person, so make sure it's somebody that you're confident and you feel comfortable with. Okay, step number 3 is writing the offer. Once you and your agent have spent anywhere from 2 to 3 days to 2 to 3 months to 2 to 3 years trying to find that perfect house, you're going to want to write an offer as soon as possible. Your agent's going to be a very valuable asset when it comes to writing the offer on this home. Every situation is different. Every house is different. Every market is different. And every seller is different. There's just no one perfect way to write an offer on a home. Every situation is different. Okay, number 4 is hiring a home inspector and ordering the appraisal. Now, many first-time home buyers confuse the home inspection with the appraisal. These are 2 totally different things. The home inspection is completely optional. That is strictly for your peace of mind, knowing that the house that you're considering buying is, not a pile of crap. So you want to hire a home inspector. He's going to come in. He's probably going to spend 3 to 4 hours in the house looking from top to bottom, looking for any major deficiencies. Depending on what market you're in, the home inspection is going to cost you between $300 and $700. Around here in Fulton County, it's usually between $300 and $450, depending on the house and what all you want the inspector to look for. Now, once you've had the inspection done and you get the report back and everything looks okay on the report, the inspector didn't find anything major, now's the time for your realtor to contact the lender and say, okay, we need to order the appraisal. Now, this part is very important. You do not want to order the appraisal before the home inspection is completed. Because let's say the inspector finds some major damage with the house that that you weren't aware of. Well, if you've already ordered the appraiser and he goes out and appraises the house and you decide you don't want the house, well, you've just spent $500 on an appraisal that you don't need. So always make sure that you have the home inspection done first. You're happy with that, then release the appraiser. If you have any questions on this, please shoot me a DM, send me a text, call me, whatever you like. Take care. Thanks for watching.